Thank you for tuning in to Lockey USA videos. This video will demonstrate how to install a TB200, 400, or 600 hydraulic gate closer on a chain link gate with a TB-LINX kit. You will need to follow the TB-LINX and TB200, 400, and 600 instruction document as you watch this video. To download the instructions, please go to www.lockeyyusa.com/resources. The tools you will need to install your hydraulic gate closer on a chain link gate are a power drill, a number 2 Phillips screwdriver, a 10, 13, and 14 mm wrench, and bolt cutters. This gate closer mounts on the swing or open side of the gate and pushes the gate closed. A gate stop must be installed to keep the gate from opening beyond 90 degrees. If you are using tension or spring-loaded hinges, release all tension and remove the spring closers. Do not use this gate closer with bulldog/strap style hinges. For best results, you will want to use male/female style hinges. Mount the post bracket to the post collar mount. Attach the post collar mount to the gate post. Attach the fitting bar to the post bracket. Attach the opposite end of the fitting bar to the gate bracket and then hold the gate bracket to the surface of the gate. If the gate bracket doesn't reach the post due to the chain link being in the way, you will need to cut the chain link using bolt cutters. Mark the gate bracket mounting holes. Confirm that the measurement from hole 2D on the post bracket to the hole on the gate bracket is 29 3/8 of an inch. Remove the fitting bar and confirm that the measurement from hole 2D on the post bracket to the hole on the gate bracket is equal to or greater than 22 inches when the gate is open to 90 degrees. Secure the gate bracket to the post. Confirm that your measurement is 29 3/8 of an inch. Each hole on the post bracket has a different opening pressure and closing speed. Hole 2A on the post bracket will provide the least amount of opening pressure and the fastest closing speed. Hole 2D on the post bracket will provide the largest amount of opening pressure and the slowest closing speed. Secure the post end of the gate closer onto the post bracket. Secure the pin with a washer and a nylon lock nut. Secure the gate end of the gate closer onto the gate bracket. Secure the pin with a washer and a nylon lock nut. Open the gate and remove the retaining bar.